Hello, dear student. I hope you are doing great. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to register for live classes, how get approved, how to add your classes to the calendar, and how to join the classes on Tuesday and Saturday. So let's get started. First, on Discord, you will receive a message with two links to Saturday live class and to Tuesday live class. Plus, we will send an email with the same links. So you will need just to click on it. And register for Saturday class and for Tuesday live classes. So you put your first name, last name, then you enter your email address. Just put Gmails. We will be approving only Gmails for live classes. Then please indicate the city you are living in. Then country, and then your phone number. Then click on register and you will see that your registration is pending approval. And here you will see the schedule for all Saturday live classes. So right now I'm just going to approve myself. So right now you will see how it works from our side. So okay, approved. So then you just need to go to your Gmail account. And you will receive the confirmation email from Zoom. It will look like that. It's just loading. I will show you. Yes. It is here. You will receive the confirmation email from Zoom saying that yours that batch 26 Saturday class confirmation. It's approved. And here you will have different information. You can add your Saturday classes to your calendar from this button above. For example, you can click here on yes, that you will be attending all of these webinars. Or you can click here, add to, and select Google Calendar, Outlook, Yahoo, but since we approved just Gmails, I think it will be added only on Google Calendar. It can be added just on Google Calendar, but you can try to work with those calendars as well. So let me show you how it works and how it looks on Google Calendar. So you just click yes here. And we will just open calendar. So see, right here on Saturday, all your Saturday classes are in here. And every Saturday at 10 a.m. or maybe just 5 minutes earlier, you just need to click on the event in your calendar and click on this link, join from. You just click on it and you will be redirected to Zoom and to your live class. So that's so simple, the same way you do with Tuesday class. Or you can go back to your Gmail account and open that confirmation email. Actually, let's go back to inbox and you can just start that email confirmation. And every Saturday, you just click on it and join the webinar from this big blue button, which has this phrase, join webinar. And again, you will be redirected to Zoom to your live class. And the very important detail that you don't share this link because this is unique link only for you. And if you share and another student joins the webinar through this link, you won't be able to join the live class until the student leaves the class. So just be careful with sharing the links with your classmates. We know that you want to help each other, but just don't share this unique link with your classmates. So this is it, what I wanted to show you. I hope that was helpful. So enjoy your class on Saturday and please register for Tuesday and please do all the same actions I just showed you in the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.